Hello, my friends. Thank you for coming to play with the ideas that I present on my channel today. My name is Gretchen Vogel. I've done trance channeling, been a practicing medium, remote viewing. I'm the author of 3 books. Everything I present on this channel is from meditations that I've done. It's all my own work. And I trust my sources, but it's up to you to evaluate for yourself how these messages or information mesh with your own spiritual evolution. Today, I want to talk about how humans got to this planet. I had a question about whether we evolved or the creation theory where, poof, we were here. I personally always felt it was a combination of both, and that is the answer that I got. I don't think I have to read it at this point. I think I've got it down. But my question was at the time, were we the apes that learned to talk? And the answer was no. That humans were interested in this planet. Human identity, human consciousness was surrounding this planet at a certain time in Gaia's history. And humans selected a particular branch of apes, which was a mutation of apes. Like you could think of it as a branch of apes that was seeded with the human mind. And of course, what makes us different from all the other animals is our abstract communication mechanism. So in my mind's eye, I think, well, all of a sudden, this branch of apes went from grunting and screaming and maybe humming and maybe communicating with body language and maybe visualizing where the best leaves on the tree were, so to speak, or where the fruit was or where the water was visually, to having the vocal mechanism to communicate phonetically in abstract symbols, because it's abstract communication skills that set us apart from the other animals here. So it did take a while for humans to inhabit the planet because there just weren't a lot of apes at the beginning. You know, the apes had to thrive and reproduce and develop their own language. And of course, with abstract communication skills, you know, we see the early drawings in the cave. The pictorial abstraction came with the human mind. And so it seems as if physical is almost a stage prop that species come into and individuals of species come into and animate like a puppet, and then as a living being express as a particular individual in a particular species with a God-given intent, a God-given plan. And I've been told that the God-given plan for humans was this completely abstract communication that we are so fond of doing, as I am right now. You know, animals have chirps, whistles, they have ways of communicating emotions or locations of food or distress or happiness, emotional or aesthetic communication. But they don't chatter at each other all day for no reason at all. We are so infatuated with our abstract communication that we invented the computer, which can do it faster than we can. So thanks for considering this idea. And until I see you again, please be well and please be blessed. And my cat is coming up the stairs and you probably heard him. All right. Until I see you again. Thanks for coming.